Cooking with me, Hema Subramanian. After a long day, be it from work or when the kids are back from school, everyone gets a bit hungry, and that's when we crave for something delicious, wholesome, and something fun to eat. Today I'm going to share a wonderful evening snack recipe, and we're going to make these really protein rich and healthy lentil vegetable pancakes. So why wait? Let's get started and check it out. For the vegetable pancakes, first I'm going to soak the moong dal. For this recipe I've taken 1 cup, it's a 250 ml cup measurement of moong dal. Just wash it a few times. Pour enough water and soak it for about 2 hours. After 2 hours, you can see how beautifully the moong dal is soaked. It's plumped up nicely. Remove all the excess water. Now we are going to grind it in a mixer jar. The batter is ready. It's ground to a nice smooth batter. You can see how nice and fluffy it is. So this is the consistency you want. I've not added any excess water. If you do need to add a little bit of water, you can add 1 or 2 teaspoons or tablespoons accordingly. To the batter, I'm adding 1 heaped teaspoon of grated fresh garlic. Next, add 1 heaped teaspoon of grated fresh ginger. Next, add 2 green chillies finely chopped. Next, I'm adding a few spice powders, starting with half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt. So first, give all this a nice mix. You can see how fluffy the batter is. To this, I'm going to add 2 medium-sized onions, very thinly sliced. Next, I'm adding a bowl of nice thinly shredded cabbage. So mix everything well along with the batter. To this, I'm adding 3 tablespoons of besan, that is gram flour. Next, add some finely chopped coriander leaves. Now that I've added all the ingredients, using my hand, I'm just going to mix everything well so that the mixture is well combined. We don't want any vegetable to be left out. This is easier for me actually. So I'm taking a small pan to make these pancakes. Just add about 2 teaspoons of oil. Just gently spread it across. So take a little bit of the pancake mixture, gently place it onto the pan. So we're going to make these pancakes nice and thick. So once you've placed the pancake mixture, just spread it across evenly. Close the pan with the lid, keeping the flame on medium-low. Cook the pancake for about 7 minutes on one side. So after 7 minutes, let's check on the pancake. Wow, look at that. It's cooked so beautifully. I'm just going to gently flip it to the other side. Wow, just look at that crust. It's cooked so beautifully. So gently give it a press. Leave the pan open and cook for another 5 to 7 minutes. Wow, just look at these protein-rich lentil vegetable pancakes. They're cooked perfectly. I'm just going to cut it into pieces now. It's got this lovely crispy texture on top, and it's cooked so beautifully on the inside. You can see all those vegetables. Now this makes for a perfect breakfast, or you can also enjoy it for a nice evening snack. Make sure you serve it nice and hot with any dip of your choice. It's time to taste these yummy lentil vegetable pancakes. Oh my God, it's so good. Wow, those vegetable pancakes were really delicious. I really enjoyed them. Now you can serve it with any dip of your choice, and do give it a try and let me know how it turned out for you guys, and share it with your family and friends. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. You can now buy the second edition of our home cooking book at shop.homecookingshow.in.